This is a quick review of the Bissell CleanView OnePass vacuum cleaner, or the Bissell CleanView model 9595A. First, I'm going to show you how it looks up close. This is a view from the angle, from a different angle. This is a view from behind the vacuum. This is another angle of the Bissell OnePass 9595A vacuum. A little bit closer up front. As you can see, there's a switch that rotates. It allows the vacuum to come down close to the hardwood surface. And believe me, it comes way down there. You can hear it scrubbing the surface, or for high carpet, bare floor. This is the chamber where the dirt comes in. I've used this vacuum for about 5 minutes, so there's some dirt there. Has a little HEPA filter that you can remove. This is a picture of the bottom of the vacuum. It has these bristles, as you can see. And it's a belt-driven 12 amp vacuum. It has a lot of function, or suction. I would say it's almost as strong as those $500 to $1,000 Miele vacuums. So for about $100, you're getting an amazing vacuum here. Okay, now for some of the functionality. This washable filter comes off so easy. And there's a button on the back, and you can empty the dirt into the garbage. And the centerpiece inside comes off, and there's a HEPA filter, which you can wash in the sink. It's that easy to put it back on. Hi. So I wanted to demonstrate and show you the pieces that come with this vacuum. You have this TurboBrush right here, as you can see, right up close. And it plugs in to the hose on the vacuum, and it's very, very high powered, and you can use it to pick up any sort of pet dander or any other substances or dust or whatever you have. There's a little brush, and it has this little tube. You can connect the tube to get about 2 feet, or you can make it short. It's fairly simple. All you do is you pull this out. Oops, let's put one there, and you have the tube with this extendable cord that goes up. Well, it's pretty extensive. I think it spreads out about 5-6 feet. When you're done with this, and you just want to use the base of the vacuum, just plug this back in here. So like that. The power cord goes in the center. This wraps up over there. This goes in there, and voila, you're done. Very simple to move or use. Power button's right there. Has a lever here so that you can extend the vacuum. And that's it. Okay, in this clip I'm going to try to demonstrate some of the suction power for this vacuum. So I have some pepper dust and rice, and I have this cord here. So let's start. Turn it on. Here we go. As you can see, we're gonna use the vacuum directly without the little tube. And there you have it, the Bissell washable filter CleanView 9595A OnePass Technology Vacuum. Absolutely spectacular. Can't go wrong for about $100 US. You can get it in Canada or other countries through Amazon. It's a great vacuum, 12 amp, and the reason why I made a little bit of noise before was I had it on a low setting, so it was scrubbing the floor, but that's it. It's a great vacuum. Please subscribe to this channel. Please thumbs up, and I appreciate any comments you have. Thank you, and have a great day.